In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add morph transition in Google Slides. While Google Slides doesn't include a true morph feature like some other tools, you can create a convincing morph style effect by duplicating slides and applying a smooth transition. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Slides. Sign into your Google account if you aren't already. If you're on another Google page, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon in the top right and choose Slides. Once Slides loads, open the presentation you want to work on. On the first slide that will host the effect, insert the object you plan to animate. This could be a shape, an image, or even a text box. Place it exactly where you want it to begin and set its starting size and rotation. The key is to establish a clear starting state. Avoid replacing this object later. We want the same element carried across slides so the transition appears seamless. Next, duplicate the slide. In the left-hand film strip, right-click the slide thumbnail and choose Duplicate Slide. You now have an identical copy, which will serve as the ending state of the animation. On the duplicated slide, modify the same object to define its final state. You can move it to a new position, scale it up or down, rotate it, or change its color. Subtle changes work well for a gentle morph, while larger shifts create a bolder transformation. Keep the background and other elements consistent so the focus stays on the moving object. With the second slide selected, go to the slide menu at the top and click Transition. The motion panel opens on the right. Under Slide Transition, choose Dissolve. This transition blends the two slides and, when paired with an unchanged object across slides, simulates a morph-like movement. Use the speed slider to control the pacing. Around 2 seconds usually feels smooth and readable, but you can adjust to match your presentation style. Preview your work by clicking Play in the motion panel. For a full screen look, click Slideshow and navigate between the two slides to see the effect in context. If the move feels too fast or too subtle, return to the motion panel to tweak the timing or refine the object's position and size on either slide until the animation feels just right. By duplicating slides and applying a thoughtful transition, you can simulate a morph-style animation in Google Slides without any add-ons. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.